Hi everyone, today for our warm-up, let's review some of the things that we can often forget, like the bonus letters. What are they? That's right. F, L, L, S, S. And notice they're all at the end of the row. Great. Now let's do our digraphs. WH, CH, ch, SH, sh, TH, and what's the other sound TH makes? The noisy one. Good. CK, k. What other letters say k? C and K. Very good. And for a few glute sounds. ONG, song, ong. ONK, honk, onk. UNK, junk, unk. And now let's review the vowel teams that we have already learned. OA, boat, O. OE, toe, O. OW, snow, O. OW, plow, ow. Excellent job. And our vowel sounds. A, apple, A, safe, A. E, at, E, Pete, E. I, itch, I, pine, I. O, octopus, O, home, O. U, up, U, mule, U, rule. Great job, readers. And last but not least, R control. Those bossy R's, let's see what they do to these vowels. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burner. Okay, my friends, and now for our new trick word of the day. Take a look. If you were to try to tap this out, what would it say? B. Two E's together. That says E, bean, bean. But this one's tricky. It doesn't say bean. It says ben, as if it only has one short E, ben. So the B and the N are normal. It's the vowels that are tricking us. How have you been? I've been good, thank you. What have you been up to? I've been reading and playing outside. Okay. Have you been holding your arms straight when you skywrite and using two fingers and picturing those letters shooting out and seeing them in the sky? Let's do it. B, E, E, N. Ben. Can you see it up there in the sky? Visualize it. Ben. Take your finger and write it on the table. Let's read our sentence with Ben. Can you find it? Put an air circle around it. Have you been sick? My voice goes up because it's a question. Have you been sick? I hope not. I hope you're healthy. Okay, everybody, great job with that trick word. Keep practicing them. And today we are going to do a new type of syllable. So if you can remember, let me flash to a new screen here, my friends. Okay, so when we talk about syllables, we're talking about one push of air, one little part of a word. Some words are just one syllable, and some words have more than one. Who can remember the syllables you've learned so far? Okay, let's take a look. Here's a word with one little vowel, so that usually means it's one syllable. What's this word, everyone? Not. Let's scoop the syllable and see. Here's the vowel. It's got a consonant after it, so it's closed in, right? And it's a short O, not. That's a closed syllable. C for closed in. Remember, it doesn't have to have a consonant before the vowel. This vowel is closed in as well, even though there's no consonant before. Good. Now, what about the other syllable type we've learned? If we add an E to the end of not, it changes it. What does the word become? The E is silent and it jumps over and makes that O be the long O because it's vowel consonant E syllable. Note. Okay, so two syllable types, closed and vowel consonant E. It's time to learn a new one. The new syllable type is when you have a vowel with nothing after it. It's not closed in. We call this one open, right? Closed or open. There's nothing after it. It's open, and that makes it a long vowel. So the O says its name. This word, as all of you know, is no. Okay? So take a look at these rules. What is an open syllable? An open syllable is a syllable that ends in a vowel. When a syllable ends in a vowel, that vowel says its name. So what does this word say? Me. And this one, be. And I bet some of you are thinking, I thought those were trick words. They were trick words because before you didn't know open syllables. But now that you do, they're not going to be tricky. They're ones that you can figure out. Okay, so there are some words on this slide, and I want you to be looking and thinking, what type of syllable are they? So I want you to pause your screen and find all of the words that are closed syllables. And I want you to write them down, mark them, and read them. When you finish, unpause the screen and I'll tell you the answers to check with yours. Okay, the closed syllables in the first row, did you get any? Yeah, look at that right here. It doesn't have to be closed in by just one consonant. It doesn't matter how many it has, as long as it's closed. So this is one closed word. What is it, everybody? And ch, ranch. Like ranch dressing, or if someone lives on a ranch and takes care of horses, a dude ranch. Okay, look in your second row. Does anybody see anything closed in? Aha, here it is. What's that word? Dot. A dot on top of the I, or a polka dot. Great job, closed in for sure. And let's look at this last row. Anything closed? Aha, here it is. Cuff. And what do you notice about that word? Bonus letter. The cuff of your sleeve is this part right here that kind of keeps it tight. Great job. Okay, your next task. I want you to pause the screen and find all the words that are vowel consonant E. Write them on your paper, mark them, and read them. And then I'll ask you some questions. We'll compare. All right, let's look in the first row. Oh my goodness, what is that you said? We missed one in the first row? We missed a closed one. You're right. We missed this one. What's that say? Self. I'm not proud of myself for missing that one, but we all make mistakes. It's got a consonant blend at the end. You're right. Okay, now back to our vowel consonant E. Here it is. What's that word, everyone? Gate. What kind of vowel is the A? That's right, it's a long vowel, so you put the line over the top, the macron. Very good. Okay, let's look at the second row. Were there any vowel consonant E? Yeah, there it is. Kite. Scoop the syllable, cross off that E, it's silent, and put the macron over that long I. And in our last row, any vowel consonant E? Nope. Okay, great job. Okay, you know what's left, our brand new syllable. Pause the screen, search for all the open syllables. Some of you are saying there's a couple words you don't know if they're open. Well, before you do this, let me teach you one more thing about these. Sometimes Y is a vowel. Did you know that? Sometimes how people kind of sing the ABCs and then say vowels. Y is sometimes a vowel. Well, I want to show you something fancy. A word like this one. If you see the Y at the end of it, it is an open syllable, but the Y doesn't say its name. The Y likes to be an I. Fly. The Y says I when it's at the end of a word and it's open. So see if you can find any of those back on our list. Go ahead, pause that screen, write down your open syllables. Okay, first row, what did you find? There's the vowel, nothing after it, it's open, so it's a long vowel. It says no. Good. Look at this next row. What'd you find? A Y at the end. It must say I. What's the word? I. Sky. Ah, here's another one. What is it? We. Great job. And our last row? There's one. What is it? Digraph SH. I. Shy. Ooh. An open E at the end. She. And one more right here. I see a consonant blend at the beginning. Full ooh. U says ooh. Kind of like in rule. Very nice job, everybody. And I do just want to make sure you know that open syllables are something you're going to learn a lot more in second grade. You'll do 2-syllable words with open syllables. So in first grade, you're not expected to mark them, but you need to know them because you're going to see that a lot while you read. So the last thing we'll do today is a little rhyming game. I am going to write a word with an open syllable, and I want to know if you can come up with any rhymes. All right, my friends, what's the word? I, shy. What rhymes with shy? Fly, guy, my, by. Hi. Any others? Great job. And remember, when we're rhyming, it doesn't always mean they're spelled the same, but they sound the same. Okay, here's your next word for the rhyming game. It's another open syllable. What does it say? Bee. Okay, this isn't the bee that flies around and buzzes. This kind of bee is just like I want to be kind. I want to be a firefighter. What rhymes with bee? He, me, she, we. Awesome. Okay. 3 more words. What kind of syllable is this, everybody? Open O, so it's go. What rhymes with go? Yo. No. Whoa. Slow. Show. Great job coming up with, I didn't think of that one. All right, and now take a look at this word. What does this word say, my readers? That's right, it's not an open syllable anymore. What is it? Vowel, consonant, E. It's bike. What rhymes with bike? Mike. Like. Good. And our very last word for today, I'm going to come back up to the top. And what does it say? What kind of syllable is it? It is a vowel, consonant, E. That's right. We mark it like that, and it says time. We don't have any more time for today, folks. So give me a rhyme with time. Ha. Time, rhyme, lime, mime. Right? A moment, mime is quiet. Awesome. You guys are great. I had fun with you today. Keep up the reading, the writing, and the rhyming. See you next time.